We're excited to introduce Facet Mount, your new, reliable attachment solution for single-ply roofs. With Facet Mount, you can securely attach walkways, conduit and piping, HVAC equipment, solar panels, satellite dishes, and more without compromising the integrity of your membrane roof. Installation is simple. First, gather your tools: roofing screws, a screw gun, and a heat welder. Place the Facet Mount in its desired location and install the required roofing screws, sold separately, following a structural engineer's specifications. Next, place the membrane facet cover over the Facet Mount and align the top holes. Attach your accessories to the top of the Facet Mount and tighten according to the accessory manufacturer's instructions. Heat weld the face cover directly to the single-ply membrane, following your roofing material manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure seal. Facet Mount, your single-ply attachment solution from S5.